is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marisa here. It's really weird vlogging. Hi. It's really weird talking to a camera. Hi. Anyways, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what a typical day in my life looks like here now that I'm at college. I'm already running late, which is just like my normal day. But yeah, I'm kind of going to show you guys around what I'm doing today. I have 2 classes. I need to do some stuff around my dorm and like that kind of thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys do, please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe for some more videos just like these. And if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Marisa and I upload weekly beauty and lifestyle videos to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's, I guess, start my day. Hey guys, so I just finished eating some breakfast, so now I'm on my way to my first class of the day, which is a 15-minute walk, but like it's totally fine. It's my psychology of everyday life class, which I honestly love. So now I have a break until like 2 o'clock. I have to go to my next class, so I'm gonna sit outside here, get some work done. I'm doing a little bit of a magazine promotion for the magazine staff that I am on. I'm a blogger for it. Kind of early right now. It's only like quarter to 11, so I'm just gonna get some stuff done, get some work done that I need to. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in a little bit.
We are at lunch.
Can't read.
Caitlin! Right. Yes! Food. I'm so hungry.
Hi guys, I'm in the hub right now in the student center, and I just finished my stuff I need to do right now, but then I have like another class soon. Like I have to like do a speech, and like I'm just not feeling it. But yeah, I'm with my friend, but he doesn't want to say hi, so. I got Starbucks and I'm really happy right now.
I literally finished this in like 2 minutes because it's all ice. What the heck?
Okay, so I just ate one of these berry things, and I don't know, maybe this is just me, like I've never ate one before. It was it was so crunchy and really, really weird. I know they're frozen, but like, what? My friend just threw this at me. Yeet. Save the turtles. Hey guys, so I just finished my last class of the day. I'm going back to my dorm now, so I will update you guys more on how my day went, but how this class went then. It was pretty interesting today. So yeah, I'm just walking back, and I have a communication society like club meeting thing at 5 o'clock today, and then I think after that I'm pretty much gonna just chill around, do some stuff in my dorm, do some homework. So yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Hi guys, so I just got back to my dorm from my classes. So I am done with class for the day, which is so nice. And tomorrow, my first class doesn't even start till like 11 o'clock. So I get a little bit of time to sleep in tomorrow. So I think what I'm going to do now is clean up my room a little bit because my side is really, really messy. At 5 o'clock, I have a communication society meeting, which is like another student organization that I am joining, and it's basically like networking for my major. And then I am going to come back here and probably do my homework for the rest of the night. I'm gonna clean now though because my room is like driving me bonkers. My classes were good today. I did my impromptu speech to my intro comm class, which is basically a public speaking class. I didn't even know that. Like what he did was he had us like ask Siri, like, Siri, give me a random number between 1 and 17. And he had like all these different little like speech topics. We had to get up in front of the class and talk about our topic for 1 minute, just to kind of like desensitize us from being scared talking in front of people. So there was tons of things on this list, like Chipotle, which we all know I love, so I was hoping to get that. Like your favorite music. There was one literally about if you like or don't like YouTube, and I was like, that is for me. Like, can I please have this? What I got, electric cars. I know nothing about cars, let alone electric cars. So literally I stood up there for a minute talking about how like it's cool. Like I did fine. Like I got like my full credit for it, but I was just like, we have an informative speech coming up in a couple of weeks. So I'm going to be talking about the stigma surrounding mental health, especially amongst like young people and college students, and like what mental health actually is and what it actually looks like. because I feel like there are so many like misconceptions, and I just can't be persuasive with it because we have a persuasive speech that's like later on. It's Ashley! Hey. It's my roommate.
I'm stuck.
This is Ashley.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Your warning. This is your warning. Don't do it. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk.
Oh, I want to show you guys my like little fall decorations. So here are some of our cute little fall decorations that my mom got for me. And I have a little thing up there. And then, oh, I got like a cute little calendar. They like slid them under our doors yesterday. And like, I was like so excited about it. Like, I don't even know why. So like that kind of changed. And then I have a little owl right there. And then we have an owl there on our door. And then we have this little sign right there, which I think is just so cute. And yeah, that's basically it. And I have Chipotle chips. So, love that. But yeah, I just like cleaned my room. Oh, and then my mom also got us like these little matching pillows that are just like literally adorable. But yeah, so like in a few minutes I'm gonna leave to go to my meeting. There's free pizza, which I know I already mentioned, but like I'm just very excited about free food. Come back, I wanna like run the sweeper and Windex a little bit and like clean a little bit more. But yeah, I got most of my cleaning done, which I am very proud of myself. Hi guys, so I just got back from my meeting for my Calm Society club group and it went really well. I love the club already, and something like a fun fact, they're actually the #1 student organization in Ohio. It's really like for like networking, like for my major and like learning more things about my major and like what I can actually do with it. And it's just like a great group of people. I just got back from that. I'm going to run the sweeper over here because the floor needs swept. And then I'm gonna Windex like some of my desk stuff and like the mirror. And yeah, I don't have too much homework tonight, thank goodness, but I want to like double check everything to make sure that I'm all good. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now and I will be back later. Hi guys, so I went from studying to being in a car going to Target because my buddy got in a frat, well, got a bid for a frat, I guess. I don't really know how frats work. Like formal clothes, and like I like looked at what he had and I was like, you need a different color shirt. So I'm going with him to get something. So, and me and Ashley ordered insomnia cookies. Anyways, me and Ashley ordered insomnia cookies, so those are gonna be waiting for me when I get back, and I still need to study. Okay guys, so we ended up at Kohl's because they're open till 10, and in this plaza there's an Ulta, which I like cannot find my brow powder anywhere, so like honestly like kind of need to go there like one of these days. And then they have a Sally Beauty, which is where I get all my Ardell eyelashes, and like I am so excited because like if I want lashes, like it's not too far of a drive. Okay, hi guys, I look really stupid right now, but like what's up? Basically I got back from shopping. This looks really weird. Yeah, I ate some cookies. We're having a good night. I'm gonna finish some more homework. I'm doing a face mask right now, and this is a mask that I've been using for a couple weeks now, and I'm absolutely in love with it. And this is the TEAMI detox mask. We're so kind enough to send me this mask to try out, and I can honestly say I absolutely love it. I personally love like all natural skincare brands, and this is definitely one of them. They sell skincare, and they also sell like different like wellness products, like different teas, like for different things to help your body. Obviously I decided to go with a detox mask though because I am so big into like good quality skincare, and like once I find like a product that like I love, like I stick with it. This mask specifically is a green tea blend, and it has matcha, lemongrass, and clay. It's like its main ingredients. It makes my skin feel so smooth and like just makes my pores look really nice. So I personally love using this mask, especially for my self-care Sundays. Well, it's not even a Sunday. It's like literally the middle of the week, but like I just like needed a pick-me-up for my skin. So if you are interested in buying any of TEAMI's products, I also have a discount code that you can use, which will be linked in my description box below, to get you guys 15% off any purchase from there. The code is MAROSE, and you use it at checkout and save some good old money. So I'll have it in the description box below. But yeah, thank you so much, TEAMI, again, and I absolutely love this mask, so thank you so much. I'm gonna go wash this off, and then I need to come back and do homework. But my next class tomorrow doesn't start till like 11 o'clock, so like I'm chilling. Okay guys, so I pretty much did everything that I needed to do today, so I hope you guys enjoyed following me around to see like a day in my life now and like what my new life is all about. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Please remember to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe, and leave some nice comments and video requests down below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys, thanks for watching.